Okay, that's how the unit looks. This one is okay. I'm not going to really be changing this one. The reason why I have that open, see these fins in here? These are your fins. These are aluminum fins, and they're not supposed to be dirty like that. Look how clogged this is. That's like the air conditioner's working overtime because it sucks the air through here, and then it goes through and it blows out up there. Can you imagine trying to, it's like sucking through a straw, and the air conditioner's working overtime. It's not very efficient. Okay, so on this one here, I'm going to clean that out, and because this trim's here, I'm going to have to unscrew this whole thing for that. That's not on this video, but you know, that'll be on another one. And see, it comes with a filter, and this is a washable screen filter, and see that fits up there just right, like so. And then this gets pushed up there like that. You can wash that filter out all the time, and that's a good thing to do. Any kind of air conditioner you have, wash those filters, will you?